Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2012 Volvo XC60 for sale. This vehicle comes in a gray exterior, and we've got a two-tone black and tan interior. Sunroof, do have blind spot assist on this vehicle. Come around to the back, you can see our Volvo XC60 badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. Our rear seats next, and you can see that two-tone here in the door, again on the seats. Do have an entertainment system here for the rear seats. And a quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And we'll take a look at the driver's side next. So we have power memory seats. You can see the seat controls here, door controls, steering wheel. And go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 90,864. We have a push button ignition. Alright. So here you can see our display. Currently pulling up navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that we have our climate controls and shifter. If you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.